Let's begin by taking a moment to allow your body to settle into a comfortable position. You may close your eyes or keep them slightly open. Allowing the spine to lift, the shoulders to soften. Today we will practice acknowledging the similarities between ourselves and others. Often we focus on differences, but realizing that even a person who seems very different from us is in a fundamental way just like us, and this can become the basis of real connection. This can include people we don't know very well, people with whom we're in conflict, or even people that we see as an enemy. It's possible to develop a sense of compassion and understanding by coming to feel our shared sense of experience as human beings. This practice, called Just Like Me, can help overcome that sense of difference and distrust by opening channels of compassion. Allow yourself to take a deep breath in and a long breath out. And as you breathe out, allowing a sense of releasing any tension that you are holding in the body. Briefly scan through your body, noticing sensations or emotions. Inviting a sense of spaciousness and acceptance for whatever you are experiencing right now. Now, bring someone to mind that you don't know very well, or who might seem different or distant from you, or even someone that you are in a minor conflict with. And as you bring this person to mind, notice if you experience any shift and sensations in your body. Holding this person in mind as if they were just in front of you, say to yourself, "This person has a body and a mind just like me." This person has feelings, emotions, and thoughts just like me. This person has, at some point in his or her life, been sad, disappointed, angry, hurt, or confused, just like me. This person has, in his or her life, experienced physical and emotional pain and suffering, just like me. This person has experienced moments of peace, joy, and happiness, just like me. This person wishes to have fulfilling relationships, just like me. This person wishes to be healthy and loved, just like me. Now, take a moment to sense how you're feeling. As you hold this person in your awareness, what do you experience? And now, as you hold this person in mind, send them good wishes. May they be well. May they be happy. As we move to a close, returning your awareness to the breath, breathing in and breathing out. Present, alive, connected, right here and right now.